Welcome to our video on Essential Safari Packing, your ultimate African adventure guide. If you're planning an unforgettable journey to the heart of Africa, you've come to the right place. We will guide you through the essentials you need to pack for your adventure. From sun protection to safari clothes and even digital devices, we've got it all covered. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started with the first item on the list: sun protection. Planning a safari to Africa? Wondering what to pack? Let's start with sun protection. Sunblock, particularly eco-friendly SPF 30 or higher, is essential. Also, consider a practical sun hat that stays put, not those pesky floppy ones. Don't forget sunglasses for dust, bugs, and of course the sun. Remember, the African sun can be harsh, so protect your skin and eyes. Now let's talk about those pesky insects. Eco-friendly insect repellents, either lotion or body spray, are a must-have to keep those critters at bay. But remember, even though they're important, insect repellents don't replace the need for anti-malaria medication, especially in high-risk malaria areas. It gets dark in the African bush. You need a good light source. A head torch or headlamp becomes an essential tool, guiding your path while keeping your hands free. Consider one with a red light feature, perfect for observing the fascinating nocturnal wildlife. This torch will be your best friend during those dark African nights. Every explorer needs a trusty day backpack. It's your essential companion for day trips and excursions, holding everything from your water bottle to your camera. And when wandering through cities, consider a money belt to keep your valuables close. A day backpack is a must-have on your safari packing list. What to wear on a safari? Let's find out. When packing for your African adventure, remember less is more. Choose comfortable, breathable clothes that can withstand the rugged outdoors. Activewear and outdoor gear are excellent choices. As for color, think muted. Bright colors and neons can disturb wildlife. Opt for shades of beige, khaki, pastel green, or light blue. And let's not forget about local customs. Dressing respectfully according to the traditions of the region is a must. Remember, comfort and respect are key when choosing your safari outfits. You'll want to capture every moment of your safari adventure. Consider packing a digital camera, along with all necessary charging devices. Remember, you'll need the correct plugs or adapters for your destination, and plenty of memory for all those once-in-a-lifetime photos. Ensure you have all the gear to capture and store your unforgettable safari memories. The African bush can get chilly in the early mornings and evenings. A warm hat or a beanie is a must-have in your safari packing list. It keeps you cozy during game drives when the temperatures dip. Don't forget to pack a warm hat for those chilly safari mornings and evenings. Thank you for joining us on our quick list of essential items. We have discounted links in the description below for safaris and excursions. Please check them out. I hope you enjoyed our list. Any other tips we missed, please let us know in the comments below. See you soon from Open Book Travel.